Welcome, people, to another Daming's Views stream. I'm grateful that you're here once again. I just need to add the music on. I don't know why it's not playing. Okay, there we go. Let's reduce the volume a little bit. And now we're going to. Very nice. I'm good. It's good to be back. Today we are starting the study streams with chemistry. I have started my first chemistry class. I came out of it today, and I have to also go and put the thing on my Instagram. I completely forgot. Let me go and put that on my Instagram because I made it kind of funny. So let me go and do that. Okay, it's good. Okay, welcome back. So today, as I said, we're doing some chemistry today. I had my first chemistry class today, and it was good. It was not really chemistry. It was more like learning about sig figs and stuff like that. And that's basically what we're gonna do today. We're going to do some sig fig calculations and stuff like that. And today, I'm introducing an interesting way of our. So the way that we're going to be doing this is using the glorious Pomodoro timer setup. And it was supposed to be calc that I did today first, but there was something that I had to change. And now we move the way that we move. We're going to do 3 Pomodoro sessions of chemistry today, and I will show you how in a sec. So I'm going to press the timer as soon as I set up this stuff. So I also hope that you guys like the transition that I made. It's very nice. I really like the transition that I made. It's very nice. But let's continue. I'm getting to the place. I don't know if I can show. Wait, I can't show this, but like, who cares? Because I'm basically doing homework for my stream, so that works out for me, and I get to be better at communicating and doing stuff by doing stream things. You know what I mean? But let's switch over to the thing and begin the timer. Start the clock. So, what we are doing here is just figuring out the math module. So we're going to do math in chemistry because chemistry has math apparently. Chemistry has math apparently. So what we have to do, so let's begin. So convert each of the following into a number with the following percentages into decimal form. So this one is 0.43. Then this one is 2.61. And then this one is 0.315. There we go. And then we got this one turned it into percentage form, and it got 69%. 69, nice. Then you have 67%, 67.7%. Then we have 4.3. We have 443%. And then let's submit this response and see if we get it right. And I got everything right. Let's go. Now let's move on to the next question. So we're now talking about averages because averages are weird, right? And oh no, there's no way. I just realized I don't have my calculator. I'll have to grab it somehow. I'll have to find a way to get it. Maybe parents, if you hear me now, I need my calculator. Can you send it in the mail? but I do not have my calculator at the moment, and that is not good. That is not good at all. Also, let me see if I can just hold the chat up. Chat. Hello, chat. Oh yes, I can use chat. I know how to use chat. I know what to use chat. Oh yes, chat. Oh, someone's watching. Let's go. If you're here, say hello. Say hello, friend. And why is this not showing? It's not showing the thing that it's supposed to be showing. That's kind of weird. Restart the capture. There we go. Now you can actually see what I was saying. Because like I've done a whole question. You heard me talk about the question, but like you just didn't see it happen. So we are 22 minutes in, and you didn't see me press the button. That's kind of sad. But it was good. It was a good press. I like that. I like the. But in the meantime, since I don't have my thing, I'll just use Desmos scientific calculator to do the averages instead. So we got 36 plus 29. Okay, let's put a bracket around. 36 plus 29 plus 31. 31 divided by 3. You should be able to do this in your head. It's like, no, I do not agree. I do not agree. I do not agree. And then this is actually faster. Like if I do it like this, and I boom it like this, and then we just do this, and then like that's the way that is smarter. I'm smarter like that, you know. If you do it like this, now it's just smarter, and I think I'm smart, you know. Also, why did it say and twice? Did it duplicate all the numbers? Now that's annoying. That's annoying. So this one is just this, and then this one is 41.4 just once, and then you have 38.7, which is just 38.7. Then you don't have two ands, and you don't have actually one and actually. And you just get rid of all of them, and then you just go wow, and wow, then divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you get 45 as the answer. Let's go. So now we have that. Now the next one, we have 122, negative 122, 127, 198, and 37. Let's change this music a little. Let's scramble it. Okay, we're putting on scramble, and now we can vibe more. And also, don't forgive me for Roblox in the corner down there, and No Man's Sky, because they're just the best games in the entire world. I could have edited them out, but I just didn't. I forgot to. I was going to, but I did not edit out the tax bar, so you can just see the tax bar under here. So let's just finish this off, right? So we got negative 127, then we have 198, get rid of 198, then get rid of the and the thing is, I think people are just interesting, you know? And the person that was viewing has disappeared. They found me not that interesting. They were just curious and they left. And I applaud them for leaving. Because sometimes we take time to let go of things that we need to let go of quicker, you know? Because you have to let go when you have to. But they realize that they don't want to do math in a chemistry stream. And then, so when they found out that, they were like, yeah, I gotta get out of here. And I respect it. I respect it a lot. Would I do that? No, I wouldn't. I would stay because I'm me. I would stay with me, and you know, but he doesn't want to, and that's, or he or she. It's I don't know. Whoever they may be, you know. And also this summation. I love the summation sign. It's very nice. And also maybe they despise the music. Who knows? All we know is that at the moment I'm vibing and I have no viewers. Also, interestingly, I made it so that I can go to the OBS and you won't see it, and it's very nice that way. But we're wasting time. Let's go. Submit the thing, and once again, 100%. 100%. But we need to pick up the pace. Like, this is slow. I'm slow, bro. But how are we gonna get weighted average? Weighted average, we just have to go. Okay, so we just have to do the thing. It's just the average, but with the weights, so that kind of thing. Oh, interesting. That's interesting, actually. So we're going to grab it. Boom. Take it like this. Move it over here, and then use it to cross-reference. I am smart. You know this? You know this thing? I know I'm smart. So I'm going to go 38 plus 64. And this is also a good way to calculate my actual grade. I just never did do it this way. And I would have noticed how I was doing terribly. But that's for another day. That's for the past. The past is the past. You either learn from it or yeah, you just have to learn from it. And because when the world when the back turns the world, when the world turns its back on you, you gotta turn your back on the world. Which is not wrong entirely, but at the same time, it's still kind of wrong. That's an interesting thing about my favorite movie, The Lion King, is that like in it portrays a lot of different themes, right? So like when you have Simba, it's like the arbiter, the chosen one, the king's son, and the person that would be the person that, the successor, and then his father dies, and he runs away, and even with the false belief that Scar has placed in his head that he caused his father to die, which is technically not wrong, but at the same time is wrong, because Scar knows that he himself was the ultimate cause of that destruction, which is interesting to think about, right? So then when Simba goes on and just goes on to the wilderness to die, and is met by Timon and Pumbaa. And if you're proclaiming spoilers about a movie that's 40 years old now, I don't know what to do with you. But for Mufasa, right? No, for Simba, after. But like I've done all the weighted averages, and I have to wait. Oh, I'm doing this wrong. That makes more sense. I was like, why is this not working? Because it has to work. And then so this one is supposed to be times 10. Okay, that makes more sense. Okay, so you have 64, and then you have times 25. 70 times 40. This person barely passed. Let's go. You made it out. You made it out, bro. Okay, now see that. It's good that I caught that. It's like it looked like it was wrong. But back to the Mufasa story, right? And to the Simba story, is interesting to think about how Simba, when he encounters the Timon and Pumbaa, is confronted with a new set of beliefs, in the sense of turning his back on the world and adopting the Hakuna Matata philosophy, which is no worries and everything, and just have no worries, because have no worries. But because of that, because he has no worries, when Nala comes out to confront him, the problems with that kind of shows up, where which show up a little before Nala shows up when they're talking about the stars in the sky, and Simba remembers what his father said about the stars being the kings living in the stars that have the wisdom. So I even think that Simba maybe gets that wrong a little bit, where he's already forgotten what his father told him, but then he still wants to be able to believe it, even though he thinks that it's wrong, but he has not been told yet that he is wrong in his belief that Mufasa is truly dead. But instead, until he sees the living Mufasa through Rafiki and in the stars where he was supposed to be, he's confused in such a manner that it's just too much. such a good movie. I love it. It's the best movie ever made. And if you say otherwise, I can live with it, but you're still wrong. So let's keep going. I'm almost done here. So let's go 2 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 10. And then I still get a 77.91. This is just like, it works out, you know? And then let's try it out. And what did not go through? Why did I not get it right? Did I get it wrong? 2 plus 6 plus 2. Which one did I get wrong? How did I get wrong? Multiply each by its weight and then add these terms together. 38. Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, times 2. Easy mistake there. And then let's go back here. And I'm almost done with the first part of the intersection. And then in the between, I have a plan, of course. Let's go. Next one. But the thing is, this is also like a thing to track out how, because this is the place where I'm going to use for my actual assignments in chemistry. So it's good to have these as this kind of thing. So like, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 208. Then you have no. Wait, yeah. What is happening? Okay. I should be back up and running. Let's go. Let's go, bro. I think I'm back. Let me just make sure. Yes, I'm back. Let's go. It took 10 years and I made it. I made it back alive. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Okay. I should be back up and running. Let's go. Let's go. No, it's still. Let's select this stream. Okay, it's now on. This stream. Okay, it's now on. And let's try. Let's see if it opens. I'm going to open the stream. Try. Let's see if it opens. I'm going to open the stream through the stream and see if it works. Okay, and see if it works. Okay. And also this is still very low. Okay, so I'm slow, but I'm back. So let's see how long it takes for me to get to this spot.